national education policy is
Chancellor always said that you have got a modern stone towards privatization
of national education policy.
to combat that intellectual servility. We'll have to think in terms of being taught because of various reasons.
Please be seated. I request candidates for master degree in economics, education, history, political science, MEd and PG diploma in human rights to please stand up. I request the Dean of Social Science, Professor Manjeet Das, to present candidates for the award of master degree in economics, education, history, political science, MEd and PG.
Specializes finance, for instance, without learning English.
New education policy is being talked about
The mode of medium of humanities by the people of this particular region, any region for that matter, by this new education policy. And this new education policy is compatible with rooted in our own culture. You know, I remember Gandhiji's famous quote that I would like to keep my house open so that air comes from various sides of the house. But I will not allow the air or the
this kind of education with the traditional form of education. Yeah, I think our students will be really empowered to combat.
Now, you may say it cannot be done. University will be added there once you shift. So this academic
drafting an action plan for societal development in sync with our green
in Shastri Bhavan. Only then we can think of
differently abled, transgender and backward class of our society. We individually develop only when the society we live in develops. In this process, when we have the mind to nurture and serve, the nation too develops. Dear students, keeping in mind the pandemic situation, we will have to go for innovation in education sector. It is time for us to make use of education for combating the deadly virus and serving the mankind. You are in the university system, so you should know how to work out an interface between the ideas of regional and global. You just cannot localize everything if you want to deactivate the virus that has taken the large toll of human life. Now that Bodoland University is growing, it is not in their mind. The university should be source of all positive vibes. It's not just knowledge, but action plan for societal development in sync with our green
conversation. You show yourself worthy of the same.
Yashu Pradhan, Computer Science and Technology. Prasanta Das, Mathematical Science. School of Language, Maina Narzari, Assamese. Apurva Kumar Baro, Bodo. Bina Basumotari, Bodo. Vipul Chandra Basumotari, Bodo. Champapati Kaklari, Sankar Basumotari, Economics. Sansera Musahari, Economics. Shushanto Narzari, History. Umananda Basumotari, History. Anjali Basumotari, Political Science. Nobati Vaishya, Political Science. Mumata Narsari, Political Science. Yuki Iswari, Political Science. School of Science and Technology. Jobi Chandra Roy, Biotechnology. Hirat Jyoti Sharma, Tahir Bodo. Brahmo, Bodo, Kanari Bosumutari, Bodo, Lakshmi Bosumutari, Bodo, Monos Kumar Brahmo, Bodo, Pirichi Bosumutari, Bodo, and Ranjita Brahmo, Bodo.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.